Hey dear students, it's Mr. Chung. I'm going to teach you how to go from a scenario to an exponential equation, table, and graph. So we start with the question. It says, Mr. Ibarra has $3,000 and keeps 3/5 weekly. He starts with $3,000, so that's your starting value. Starting value always goes with 0. That's a 0. So 0, 3,000. Make that 0 better. 0. Okay. And then he keeps 3/5 weekly. So 3/5 is your multiplier. So out of every $5, he keeps $3. All you have to do is multiply by 3/5, and you will get figure 1, 2, 3, and 4. You're going to go down. 3/5 is between 0 and 1, so that is decreasing. So you're going to get 1800, 1080, then you're going to get 648, and then finally you're going to get 388.8. And each time you just multiply by the 3/5. Okay. Next, let's do the equation. Equation is always going to be in the form y equals a parentheses b to the power of x. A is your starting value, b is the multiplier. So we already know the starting value was $3,000. So y equals 3,000, and the multiplier was 3/5 to the power of x. Last, the hardest part is on this problem is probably the graphing. And the reason is because you have to space this out correctly. And really, you just need to make sure that the spacing is even. So if I go by 200s, it's going to be even. 200. And then the next one is 400. So 200 plus 200 is 400. 600, 800, 1,000, 1,200, 1,400, 1,600, 1,800, 2,000, 2,200, 2,400, 2,600, 2,800, 3,000, 3,200. And the reason why is because I want to make sure that I can fit the biggest number. That's why I had to go up to at least 3,000. And that is the total money. And on the bottom, we're going to have weeks. And you gotta just make sure you got enough for 4 weeks, right? 3, 4, 5. Okay, so the first one is 0, 3,000. So 0 is on the y-axis, 0, 3,000. Then 1, 1,1800. 2, 1080, so between 1,000 and 2,000. 3, 648, between 600 and 800. 4, 388.8. So it's going to be like this. And as you can see, it should be a nice curved line. It's crossing the y-axis. And make sure that you do not cross the x-axis, right? That's the asymptote. If it crosses the x-axis is going to be wrong. So make sure that this does not cross down here. You cannot cross this line. Alright, and that's it.